To submit documents to Snapchat for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Access your Snapchat account. Before starting recovery, use the historical.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Navigate to support. Once logged in, go to the Snapchat support page. You can find this by scrolling to the bottom of the Apple website and clicking on the support or help section. Step 3. Select the appropriate category. Look for the category related to account issues or verification. This may be labeled as account access or verification depending on the current layout of the support page. Step 4. Submit your documents. Follow the prompts to submit your documents. You may need to upload files such as identification or proof of address. Ensure that your documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, check your email or the app for confirmation message from Snapchat. This will inform you whether your documents were received and if any further action is required. Thank you for following these steps. Good luck with your account approval process.